So overall, Koh Lanta is amazing. I had a lovely time here. It's really quiet and peaceful, but it's also fun in a way and beautiful. But what to do? Koh Phi Phi is calling. Is completely gone. I was like, oh, I'm gonna go for a swim today, and here I came to the beach and there's no water. He is gone. First I was like, oh my god, is a tsunami coming? Yeah, then I started thinking, I don't know, I guess it's because it's full moon now, well, kind of full moon, and probably that's why the tide is kind of strong. So I guess that's the reason. There's no other explanation whatsoever. Look at this. So yeah, still walking and still no water. I don't know if this is normal. I've never seen something like this. At least now you can see where all the rocks are. And these kayaks and boats are just lying around. I hope the water will be back by tomorrow. Still no water, nothing, no beach, no sea. The party's already started behind me. I don't know if you can hear the music. I kind of want to join when I hear that. The last time I did go to some parties, but this time I wasn't planning to. Just want to wake up early and go explore some other places, but we'll see. So this is about it from the beach. Here I'm in my new room in Koh Phi Phi. But I was expecting like this small little room with nothing in, like small bed even. It's pretty nice actually, pretty big and spacious. It does cost a little bit more. It's 600 baht per night. In Bangkok I was paying 280, so yeah, this costs a little bit more, but still it's Koh Phi Phi and it was the cheapest option I could even find on the internet, so pretty good. Since I'm staying here only like 2 days, that will be fine. At least I love my room. And it's right in the center. I'm right next to the pier. I'm right next to the beach. So it's like the perfect location. But still, I'm not next to the road. So it's not like I will hear a lot of noise. I still didn't look to... Well, my view is to the roof. But if you look past, still I won't be looking to the window that much. Anyways. So it's fine. Can I stand here? Yeah. There's something in the water. I don't know, is it dirt? The water doesn't look very clean now. Just to see if my things are safe. I hope so. I wouldn't be able to see them anyways. So yeah, it's high tides today. There's water at the beach. It's so funny how it can change. Like, I've never seen that before. Such a big difference between low tide and high tide. here's a funny story. I was in Koh Phi Phi 2 weeks ago, as you know, and there was this bar which is right in front of me right now, and they had like a fire show during night. So the guy that was doing the fire show wasn't very good. When he threw the torch in the air, I literally have the video. The torch went to the roof, which almost caught on fire. And now, 2 weeks later, I'm here at the same place again, and the same restaurant got burned down. So how strange is this? So yeah. I've been in Koh Phi Phi only 2 days and I'm leaving today because the accommodation is a little bit more expensive, and I don't know what else to do really, because I went on tours and swimming and parties and I've seen everything other than the viewpoints. But I don't know, I have a feeling that I will come back here again for the third time. It might happen.
Close the curtains, 'cause all we need is candlelight, you and me, and a bottle of wine. Gonna hold you tonight, oh yeah. Well, we know